just another day at outdoor school. Just exact same as indoor school, except it's outdoors. Let's have a little sit down. Right. My lovely water. Now class, what student would know the answer to the math sum 2 divided by 2? Oh, Miss Johnson, me. Up the back, K-Dog, yes, K-Dog.
So, rats, I knew the answer as well.
Miss Johnson, the answer would be 1. It's 1, 2, into 2. It's just 1, I think.
Oh, a round of applause, you got it correct, Johnny.
No, K-Dog. No, Kyle. No, K-Dog. No, Sroon. No, K-Dog. Yeah, I know, I got it right. No. Oh, sorry, Miss Johnson, my water bottle's leaking. Look, everybody, Kyle's water bottle's leaking. What was that noise? Oh no, it's AJ. AJ with the magical water bottle spilling skills ever since the first term of primary 5. AJ, stop! Don't you dare try to spill my water bottles! Come back! You've done this too many times! Yes, guys, as you can guess, this happens to me all the time. There's this boy in my class called AJ, and he always uses his dark magic skills. I don't know how it happens, but ever since he spilled my water bottle once, it keeps on happening. And I think that my water bottle here is cursed. It may not look too cursed to you, but it does look cursed to me. So what we're going to do today is try to break it. As you can see, it's still using its dark magic powers, and it is shattered on the ground. So let's try that again, shall we? Okay. Oh my god. It is literally completely broken. Oh no. Oh no. I think I should continue if you ask me. We have never loved you. I've never loved you, water bottle. You've always cursed me. I just got you from the halfway through primary 5, and every single day you have spout. Every time I destroy you, so your evil cannot continue. Your evil deeds have gone. They shan't continue for the other people that experience you, you horrible water bottle. No! Yes, AJ, yes. It's about time I stop your evil deeds. Not bad. Time to finish you off. Okay, that says actually based on a true story. Don't worry, AJ, I'm not going to do this to you. So as we can see, the water bottle is quite not looking too well, is it? Until we step on it. Oh! Oh my gosh! Woo. Oh gosh. Yep, this just isn't going too well for you, is it, my water bottle friend? You evil thing! I'll destroy you more! Die! Die, I say! Oh gosh, that was a bit too far. As you may have heard, let me stomp my foot, and it went everywhere. I think it's dead now.